copy same date in Excel column without changing. So if you want to copy same date in Excel column without changing, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Excel workbook. After opening your Excel sheet, now for example, I have a date right here. And if I try to copy this all the way to the bottom, then it will only change the date, or it might change the month. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to simply select the whole thing, and then you need to press Ctrl D. After pressing Ctrl D, it will change to the date, or it will copy the first date and then paste it to all the other columns. In the same way, you can go with the other one, and if you select all of these and then press Ctrl D, then you can see that it has been changed. Other thing you can try is you can just simply copy this one and paste it right here. Now you need to select all of these other cells and then press Ctrl and Enter. That's it. Once you press Ctrl and Enter, then it will have the same date. So that's how you can copy the same date in Excel column without changing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.